Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best Samsung phones of 2026. Samsung doesn't always reinvent the wheel, but every year it fine-tunes what worked before, from cameras to screens to battery life. Here's a look at the best Samsung phones in 2026. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth Samsung phone on our list is the Galaxy S25 FE, priced at $709.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First thing you'll notice is how crazy thin and light this thing is at just 7.4 millimeters and 190 grams. They've also shrunk the bezels down to almost nothing, giving you that 90% screen-to-body ratio, and the bicolor frame design actually looks pretty slick. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and back with an upgraded armor aluminum frame, plus IP68 water resistance, so it's definitely built tough. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display is gorgeous with that 120Hz refresh rate and FHD plus resolution, though it maxes out at 1900 nits brightness, which is dimmer than the regular S25 models, but still plenty bright for everyday use. Performance is solid with the Exynos 2400 chip paired with 8 gigs of RAM. Battery life is legit with that 4900 mAh cell, getting you through a full day easy, plus 45-watt fast charging hits 65% in 30 minutes. Camera-wise, you're getting a 50-megapixel main with OIS, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 8-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel front camera, and it shoots 8K video at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60. The whole Galaxy AI suite is here, with photo assist, audio eraser, and all the generative editing tools. You get 256 gigs of storage with no micro SD slot, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Just a reminder that you gotta buy the charger separately. Our team recommends this for those who need the absolute best cameras and want to save money over the regular S25. The fourth Samsung phone on our list is the Galaxy S25 Plus, priced at $899.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing just feels incredible to hold with those smoothed out rounded edges that Samsung finally perfected this year, and I'm absolutely loving how the paint wraps completely around the aluminum frame, giving it this unified premium look. The 6.7-inch display is genuinely the sweet spot for most people, and this Quad HD Plus panel at 1440p with adaptive 120Hz is just stunning for everything from scrolling Instagram to watching movies. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and it gets ridiculously bright at 2600 nits, so outdoor visibility is never an issue. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired with 12 gigs of RAM is legitimately insane. Everything loads instantly, apps stay in memory forever, and gaming is silky smooth thanks to that enlarged vapor chamber keeping temps under control. The 4900 mAh battery consistently gets me through full days, even with heavy use, and that 45-watt fast charging tops you up to 70% in half an hour, which is clutch when you're rushing out. The camera system delivers excellent shots with that 50-megapixel main sensor capturing tons of detail and great low-light performance. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide handles landscapes beautifully, and that 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom is perfect for portraits and zoomed shots. Video quality is fantastic with 8K recording and solid stabilization. You're getting Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast connectivity. Those AKG-tuned stereo speakers sound great. and the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is super fast and reliable. Now let's keep it real though, that $200 jump from the base S25 only nets you the bigger screen and double storage since the cameras are identical, which feels a bit steep. Our team recommends this for those who need a larger display for productivity or media consumption and want top-tier performance without going full ultra prices. The third Samsung phone on our list is the Galaxy Z Flip7, priced at $899.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Samsung went edge to edge with that 4.1-inch cover screen, no awkward camera cutout, just pure screen real estate that makes checking notifications and controlling music way more practical. Flip it open, and you've got a gorgeous 6.9-inch foldable AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh and 2600 nits. Peak brightness, colors are vibrant, and scrolling feels incredible. The whole thing is crazy thin at just 6.5 millimeters unfolded and weighs only 188 grams, fits in your pocket so easily, and that armor flex hinge closes completely flat with zero gap, which feels so satisfying. They've upgraded durability big time with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both sides, armor aluminum frame, and IP48 water resistance. This is legitimately the toughest flip yet. Battery life surprised me. That 4,300 mAh cell easily lasts a full day, even with the cover screen active constantly, though 25-watt charging feels slow compared to competitors. The 50-megapixel main camera with flex cam takes excellent selfies using that cover screen as a viewfinder, and the AI zoom and portrait features are legit useful. You're getting 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs base storage with that Exynos 2500 chip handling everything smoothly, plus One UI 8 on Android 16 with all the Galaxy AI goodies. Here's the catch. The Exynos chip instead of Snapdragon might bother some people for gaming performance. There's no telephoto camera, which hurts versatility, and at this price point, you're really paying a premium for the folding form factor. Our team recommends this for those who value compactness and style over raw camera specs and don't mind the flip phone quirks. The second Samsung phone on our list is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, priced at $1,299.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First off, they shaved it down to make it lighter than the S24 Ultra while keeping that built-in S Pen, which is wild. The titanium frame with Gorilla Armor 2 display glass feels absolutely premium, and that IP68 rating means you don't have to baby this phone. That 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display is genuinely stunning with Quad HD resolution, adaptive 120 Hz that smoothly scales based on content, and it cranks to 2600 nits peak brightness, so sunlight visibility is never an issue, colors are vibrant, and blacks are inky deep. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 12 gigs of RAM is an absolute powerhouse. Multitasking is effortless, gaming runs flawlessly, and that 40% larger vapor chamber keeps thermals in check during intense sessions. Battery performance is excellent with that 5,000 mAh cell, easily pushing through full days of heavy use, and you get 45-watt wired charging plus Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging capability. The camera system is where Samsung flexed hard. That 200-megapixel main sensor captures insane detail. The new 50-megapixel ultra-wide is a massive upgrade from the previous 12-megapixel, giving you sharper wide shots and better macro capabilities. Plus, you've got a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto and 50-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto for incredible zoom range, all shooting gorgeous 8K video with solid stabilization. Galaxy AI integration with Google Gemini is legitimately useful. Cross-app actions let you do multiple tasks with one voice command, like scheduling events and texting them to people automatically. You're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and 256 gigs base storage, though no micro SD slot. Keep in mind that Samsung removed Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen, which means no more air gestures or remote shutter control. That's a bummer for people who use those features. Our team recommends this for Those who want the absolute best, Samsung offers with that S Pen productivity, incredible display, versatile cameras, and cutting-edge AI feature. The best Samsung phone on our list is the Galaxy Z Fold7, priced at $1,649.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Samsung finally figured out how to make a foldable that doesn't feel like a compromise. The first thing that'll blow your mind is how ridiculously thin this thing is, at just 4.2 millimeters when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters folded. Plus, it weighs only 215 grams, which is actually lighter than the S25 Ultra. Like, how is that even possible for a foldable? They completely redesigned the hinge to make it more compact, and that satisfying snap when you close it is chef's kiss. Plus, there's zero gap when folded, which looks so clean. The durability upgrades are legit with that Armor aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover screen that's basically indestructible, and IP68 water resistance, so you can actually use this phone without worrying. That 6.5-inch cover display is now wider, making one-handed use way more comfortable for everyday tasks. And when you unfold it, that massive 8-inch internal display with adaptive 120Hz is absolutely gorgeous for multitasking, watching content, or getting work done. Samsung finally upgraded the cameras and gave us that same 200-megapixel main sensor from the S25 Ultra, which captures incredible detail and handles low light beautifully. Plus, they ditched that garbage 4-megapixel under-display selfie camera for a proper 10-megapixel shooter with a visible cutout that actually takes good photos. Performance is monster tier with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM handling absolutely anything you throw at it. Multitasking with 3 apps open simultaneously is buttery smooth. The 4,400 mAh battery gets you through a full day of heavy use, which is impressive considering that huge internal screen. And you've got 45-watt fast charging to top up quickly. However, Samsung removed S Pen support completely, which is a massive loss for power users who love taking notes or drawing on that big screen. Our team recommends this for those who want the ultimate productivity phone that replaces both your smartphone and tablet. And there you have it, folks, the best Samsung phones of 2026. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.